How many of you actually think that you know how to brush your teeth correctly? Well, today, that's actually what I'm going to show you is how to brush correctly and how to floss correctly. I'm credible in this area because I've been a registered dental assistant for over 12 years. So the first thing is you need to make sure that you have your materials. Obviously, you need a toothbrush, you need some toothpaste, and then you need some floss. First, I'm going to show you how to brush. So the first thing you do is most people get their toothbrush wet before they put the toothpaste on. And then you only need about a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on your toothbrush. So the first thing you do is when you start to brush your teeth, you want to make sure that you hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle towards the gums, like this. This helps that any small food particles or bacteria that get right underneath your gum line, this will help so that you can get the toothbrush, the bristles will sweep it out of there. You want to make sure you do small motions back and forth like this, only over a couple teeth at a time. You want to make sure you get all surfaces of the teeth. So you want to make sure you get the outside. You want to also make sure that you get the inside all over, and then the tops of the teeth, which is like the chewing surface of the teeth. And then when you come to the bottom, you just hold your toothbrush down. You still have that 45-degree angle against the gums. And then when you do the front teeth, you just put your toothbrush in like this and brush. And then the top teeth, the front teeth, just like that. You want to brush 2 times a day at least for about 2 minutes at a time. That's the recommended amount of time that you should be brushing your teeth. Now I will show you how to correctly floss your teeth. So flossing helps because the toothbrush, the bristles don't get in between the teeth. So the floss helps to aid as the toothbrush getting in between your teeth. So it gets any food particles out of there and plaque. So first you want to make sure that you have plenty of floss. And then the correct way to hold your floss is that you want to wrap it around your middle fingers. So then you have these 2 fingers to be able to manipulate the floss. So the first thing you do, instead of coming in between the teeth and just pushing your floss straight down, you don't really want to do that because it will hurt. It can hurt your gums. So you want to slowly press down, but as you're doing it, you want to put the floss like in a C shape around the tooth. So once you have it down, which you'll feel it go all the way down, you just want to go back and forth and up and down in a C shape against the tooth, and then you're going to come back around the back tooth and do the C shape also back and forth and up and down. And you want to make sure you get in between every single tooth. Sometimes if the floss feels like it gets stuck and it's hard to get it out of there, you can just let go of one side of the floss and you can just pull it through instead of trying to pull it straight up and out. So you want to floss at least once per day. One other thing, when you brush your teeth, it's recommended that you brush your tongue really well because your tongue attracts a lot of bacteria. That bacteria can cause bad breath or just bad bacteria in your mouth that can cause gingivitis, which is gum disease, or tooth decay. So that's why it's very important to know how to correctly brush and floss your teeth so that you can get all surfaces and all areas of the teeth so that it can help you from preventing of getting any cavities.